guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm doing a prep with me for vacation. Today is Friday and my family and I are leaving to Punta Cana on Sunday and we're coming back on Wednesday. So it's gonna be 3 nights in Punta Cana. It's gonna be so much fun. We're celebrating my youngest brother's birthday. We're gonna be packing together, getting all the essentials. I have my planner here because I don't do anything without a list. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Stay tuned because I am filming a thrift with me while we're there, and I'm also doing an outfits diary video, so like everything that I wear during my trip. So without further ado, let's get sorry, I'm eating gum. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So this is my outfit for today. I'm gonna show you more properly when we're out in my room because I feel like this is not the best lighting. Here's my OOTD. I absolutely love this dress. It's actually thrifted originally from BCBG and I love the lace detail. I think it's so unique, and then it's got stripes, which you know I love. I'm wearing my cold hand loafers, which are also thrifted, and my thrifted bag from the flea market, which I got 2 years ago, which is originally from the brand The Stuff. That is the outfit. I also put on this silver hoops. I never wear silver jewelry, but I bought these for my grandpa's birthday when I was dressing up for the 70s, and I actually couldn't find them that day. I found them the day after, so I'm just wearing them right now because I wanted to match this necklace, just silver. So we landed at Domix, which is a local courier, and my mom is picking up a top that she bought for me from Zara. She already showed me the picture. There's gonna be a little spoiler of the haul that I'm gonna do for you guys. Here it is. But before we do that, I just want to make it clear for my mental sanity. Yes, my nails are stained. I don't think anyone was wondering. I really never have a natural color like this. It's always either red, or 9 times out of 10 it is red, and then sometimes I'll occasionally experiment with other colors. But I've been on this journey of doing my nails on my own again, which I used to do all the time. I started going to the nail salon and getting acrylic. First it butchered my nails, like they were super brittle, so I grew them out, and now that they're grown, my struggle is that they get stained super easily, which is not because they're thin or anything. It's just because I use really bright colors and dark colors that just naturally stain my nails, like navy or red. All that to say, I need to buy a base coat and a top coat in order to go back to the red. But let's do the unboxing. I went off on a tangent there, but I just wanted to let it be clear because they don't look nice. Ay, qué bella! Look at that. That is so freaking cute. And the colors of this are perfect for summer. But yeah, I'm gonna rock this weekend. I'm so excited. The Big Apple. We made it to the Big Apple, you guys. It's just not New York in this case. We came to the mall where our thrift store that we always go to is at, because my mom is trying to find a swimsuit for our trip, so let's see if we can find her anything. Speaking of swimsuits, this portion of the video is sponsored by Burlook, which is a fashion and lifestyle brand that specializes in making swimwear, beachwear, and activewear. One of my goals this year has been to stay more active, and I have done so consistently. I've actually worked with them in the past, back in January, and I picked out a couple of workout sets that I wear very consistently. You guys have probably seen them in my videos. They are super great quality. They have the cutest designs, and today I'm going to show you guys 2 workout sets and 2 swimsuits that I picked out from them that I'm going to bring with me on vacation, because I do plan to stay active while on vacation. One thing that I love about them is that they really emphasize sustainability, so a lot of their fabrics are made from recycled materials. Without further ado, let's get into the try-on haul. The first set that I picked out is this black and white one, and I feel like I've seen this design all over the internet, but very amazing quality. This is what it looks like. It's just a black legging with this white lining. It's like an elevated basics, very trendy but still like super classic. It's not like super out there. And the top is this really cute white sports bra with the black detail, and then it crosses over on the back. So let's try this on. This is what it looks like on. Like I said, I feel like this is super flattering and so comfortable. Definitely gonna motivate me to want to work out while on vacation. I think we might play tennis while we're there, so this is gonna be perfect for that. I feel so cute in this. I probably throw something on top of this just for comfort. If I'm working out in public, I would usually just throw something on top, like this white tee. Simple but so cute. Now onto the next set, which believe it or not, it does get better. Got this set in combination of navy and baby blue. I always say that I feel like navy looks really good on my skin tone, and baby blue is my favorite color in the whole world. So of course I just had to get this crossed over legging, which is the one that I have from the previous haul that I did from them, which I love. I have the black one and I have a light brown one. Then the matching sports bra. This is what it looks like on the back. So these are the 2 other colors that I have. This is black and white, and then this brown and white one. So this is what it looks like. I feel so cute in this. They're super flattering, especially this one with this crossed over thing. It emphasizes my waist. Yeah, this is so cute. I just wear it with the same trainers. It even matches my water bottle. This is what it looks like from up close. I'm gonna show you guys 2 swimsuits that I got from them, both of which I'm bringing on my trip. And the first one is this gorgeous black and white one piece. It reminds me of, what's her name from The Parent Trap, Meredith Blake. Reminds me of her, very old money looking. Look at the little metal logo that it has in the back. So chic. This is what it looks like. I just paired it with these eyelet shorts that I already had. I would just pair it with some shorts like this. This could even pass as a bodysuit, honestly. I'm only gonna bring this with me. I love a black swimsuit, and I don't think I owned a black swimsuit until now. And then the last thing that I got was a bikini, and I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna style it. So these are the bottoms. Are you ready for the top? Look how cute that is with the little brown little buckle. So flattering. I think this is the most flattering swimsuit that I own. When I picked it out, I instantly pictured it with this skirt that I've had, which I thrifted a long time ago, and then my glasses. How cute is this outfit? Like, it's such a vibe. And then my sandals. Again, the bottoms are full coverage, which I prefer. I'm gonna have a link down below in case you guys want to check them out. I seriously recommend them to anyone. This is my first time trying out their swimsuits because last time I only ordered workout pieces. I will say, like, they feel super high quality. They're super comfortable and super flattering. So these are the comfiest shoes. This color is so gorgeous. If I worked in corporate, look how cute this top is. It's from Old Navy. This is the boyfriend shirt. I love the colors. Now this one is so fun. I don't like the silhouette, but I do love like this fluttery, what do you call this? Like furry fabric almost. But I feel like I would look pregnant. Shirt from Uniqlo, except I feel like it's too boring almost. Nothing really all that special, but I love Uniqlo. It's not in the color scheme that I'm trying to go for. Look how cute this lounge beach chairs are by Tony Bahamas. But they are almost $50, which I feel like I would rather just get, not rather, but it's just the same as getting it at a store. I don't know how much they retail for. I love the eyelet, but it's a size extra large. It's also the boyfriend shirt. Plenty of things from Universal Thread and other Target brands. Like this would be so perfect for the beach, especially if they had a matching pair of pants, but they only have it in a size extra large, which they have a bunch of. This is so cute, but it's a 1X. Okay, so hopefully the music isn't too loud. Well, right now nothing's playing. I found 3 things. I don't know if I'm getting any of them, but I just figured I would show you. Look at this jacket. Just thought it was so intricate. It's by TRF Outerwear. The more I look at it, the more I'm thinking I am gonna get it, because it has this cute embroidered detail also on like the edge of the sleeves. Let's try it on. I feel like it's such a girly design, even though the shape of it is like kind of shaped like a bomber jacket, which is, I feel like, more masculine. All the embroidered details of it, it's a very nice balance of feminine and masculine. Oh yeah, I need to get this. That looks so nice, so cute. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. Yeah, so I'm getting one thing for now. How much is it? Hopefully it's cheap, and it's less than $5. That is such a steal. I'm gonna look this brand up again. This is it. I also found this, which I'm not gonna get. It's an extra small. I feel like it will be too small in the armpits maybe, but look at this print with the cherries. Isn't that so adorable? The more I look at it, the more I like it, but I'm gonna leave this one. I'm gonna leave it. I also found this blue kind of tunic style top. It's open on the sides. I figured this would be a nice swimsuit cover-up that I could bring with me, but also I maybe don't need this, but I like the color and it looks super soft, but it looks like on. Okay, this might be a yes. I feel like this would look cute with some white trousers. Yeah, this is what it looks like. It's hard to picture what it would look like without this underneath. But yeah, I feel like this would look really nice with shorts. But so far, I definitely am gonna get this jacket. Not that I need any sandals or flip-flops, but because we're going to the beach, I feel like it's only appropriate that I look at the flip-flops and stuff. Super cute from Old Navy, but super small, like obviously not my size. Look at these ones from H&M. This braided style, so cute. I've had an eye out on these ones for so long. as long as they've been here, which is months. And I don't know why no one has gotten them. I haven't gotten them because they're not my size. I don't know what other people's what? They look like ones that I had, which were by some Edelman that I got here that actually broke apart a couple months ago. These are size 12, which is too big. Look how gorgeous. My mom just found me this, which is by J. Crew. And it still has a tag on. It retails for $120, which is insane. And it's here for $6. Found these shorts by Anthropology. Look how cute these stripes are, but it's too big. Also, the material on this feels super soft. This is by Talbot. I love this, like, such a cute little puppy. Oh, that is so cute. They have this Gen Sport blue backpack, which is very cute, but it's way overpriced. And also, they have these bags, which I think they're insulated. Oh yeah, they are. This is so cute to me. I just realized that through all those clips I had my glasses on, so I just took them off. This is like my little filming schedule for this weekend. This is this vlog that I'm filming right now. Right now we're heading to Brick, which is a new store that just opened up. It's like a home center, which is, if you're from the States, something similar to Home Goods. And we are going for the first time today. I'm so excited. They have organizers, decor things. No quiero ser esa burla, no me gusta que seas tan cruel. Ay, ay, auxilio, ay, Dios mío. Ay, 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 grito, me hace sufrir. We're here. Thrift Center. Like $7, and it comes with this organizer box, a rug for your bathroom, and a shower curtain. $6, give or take. My heaven, all the organizers. Ooh, these are so cute, but I already bought some baskets for my bathroom the other day. They've got mock-up kitchens as well, like IKEA does. I'm really mostly here for the organizers. Ooh, they have stationery stuff as well. I actually need some more velvet hangers. I'm gonna take 10. They're $1 each. 50 pesos, which is a little bit under $1. These racks are cheaper than the IKEA ones. And look at these baskets. I love the colors of it. Hey guys, so I just got done filming. I haven't done the try-on, but I just filmed the Zara haul. I was going to do it in this vlog, but it just was going to be way too long and we still have the packing to do. So we're back in the vlog. Oh, let me show you the things that I bought yesterday from Brick. I did get an organizer thing for my clothes. It's already in my room. My dad built it up for me, so I'm going to show you when we go there. But I bought 10 hangers because I do need to hang up all of the Zara stuff. My mom got this paper towel dispenser. Everything was a great price. So if you're local, I would definitely recommend going there. It's like a mix between IKEA and Ferreteria Americana or Unidos and a little bit more than that. I also got this pair of scissors, dish dispenser organizer, not a dispenser, and this scrub for dishes. Very interesting, I know. And now let me show you the organizer. I ended up going for this green one. I think I'm gonna keep it here. I don't care if it's aesthetic or not. I could also put this in my closet next to the shoe thing that I have, which is from IKEA. It's this. Actually, let's get to organizing this. quite literally perfect for what I wanted it. Underneath, I have my swimsuits, which all of them fit in here. Then I have all of my scrubs, which also all of them fit in here. Here, I just put, like I brought my caps, my one hat, my socks from my dresser over to here. I have my one pair of glasses. And yeah, that is what it looks like. I feel like it turned out so nice. I also got wheels. So if I wanted to move it around and just not have it on the way, I could bring it into my closet. But for now, I'm just gonna keep it next to my mirror because I don't mind. Still undecided on whether I wanna bring this bag, which comes with this attachable makeup thing. It's from my own store, as well as this one. This one is very cute. I haven't used it yet, but I think this one is more practical. So I'm just gonna start with this one. And if I don't have enough room, I can add that one. But I don't want to be excessive. I want to actually pack things that I'm gonna wear. I'm gonna fast forward because I'm very indecisive and I often go like back and forth. You're getting a little sneak peek of what I'm wearing. As I said, I'm doing an outfits diary while I'm there, but I couldn't end this video without showing you guys what I bought from the thrift the day before yesterday. Also gonna show you a few things that I have bought for the past couple of weeks. And I'm so mad at myself that I didn't wash any of this. I can't bring any of this with me. It was when I was buying that outfit for my grandpa's birthday. I actually thrifted this old navy tank. I also did show you this in a short, but I bought this very nostalgic Aeropostale long shirt, which I thought was authentically from the early 2000s, but as it turns out, it's actually from 2019. Then this is actually not mine. I did show you this in that video. Very sparkly top with a little bit of a bell sleeve. This dress my mom bought for herself, but she didn't realize it was a size small. But it's this very cute navy dress with this pink detail. Then the three things that I bought, I actually took you guys thrifting with me 2 days ago. I did buy this really cute jacket with embroidered details. It's actually from Zara. It says TRF outerwear, but it's like the older version of the Zara Berlook, which is the cheaper version of Zara. I also bought this top, which is by Sienna Sky. It's not vintage, but it looks vintage. Like it's a very old style print with flowers. I don't know how to explain it, but you guys know what I mean. It has this cute lace trim. And then this last thing, I don't know if I'm keeping or if I'm reselling. Gorgeous. It's new with tags. It has a tag that it retails for $120. That was it for today's video. Stay tuned for my next video. I don't know what order these videos are gonna come out. Just know that I already filmed my Zara haul. I also am doing an outfits diary while I'm in Punta Cana and planning on doing a thrift with me. We'll see if like everything lines up and we have time to go out thrifting. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you very soon with my next video. Bye guys.